ever deleted an app by mistake and couldn't find it again? Don't worry, there's an easy way to recover it in seconds using the Google Play Store. In this video, I'll show you how to find deleted apps and restore uninstalled apps on Android quickly and safely. First, open the Google Play Store. This is the official and safest place where all your downloaded apps are managed. Once the Play Store is open, tap on your Google account icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. Now, select Manage Apps and Device from the list. After entering this section, you will see two tabs. Go to the Manage option. At the top, tap on the Filter section and change it to Not Installed. This will show all the apps that you have previously downloaded but later deleted from your device. Scroll through the list carefully and find the app you want to restore. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. Now hit the Install button and wait for the process to complete. After installation, the app will be back on your phone and ready to use just like before. You can repeat this process anytime you accidentally delete an app or want to reinstall old apps without searching again on the Play Store. That's it. Your deleted apps are now restored. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Android tips. See you in the next video.